Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my second ever Plan With Me in my daily duo. I wanted to apologize. Last time I never even made it to the weekend. I will try to do better today. So, today we are planning July 5th through July 11th. I am in love with this week because I don't have to work my first job on this day. So, I'm excited to have a little bit of time off. Anyway, we will just jump right into this. The first thing that I always do is pull out my trusty pens, and I realized that I did not say what pens these were. So they are the Staedtler Tri-Plus fine liners. I forget what point they are, but they're the fine tip. I'm going to try to make it to where you can see that. But I love these pens. They're pretty great. I'll put a link to them in the description box below. They're pretty awesome. And it'll be an affiliate link, but if you click on it, it won't cost you anything extra. It's just a way for you to get there, and it'll help support my channel. But okay, actually I don't want the black. I like color coding. So we're going to go through and start with the time blocking. We got all of the time blocking in for this week, and now it's time to go back with the stickers. I normally keep my stickers in this folder back here, but I have quite a bit. I have the leftover Erin Condren stickers that I'm trying to use up so that I can get rid of those. I feel guilty if I don't use what I paid for. Do you guys do that? I've got a stencil here to help me with my weekends. And then, of course, lots and lots of script stickers and some icon stickers from Planner Kate. She is fabulous. But right now, I'm just going to go through and throw on my stickers. The kitchen does not cover quite as well as I had hoped. What do you all think? Should I just make these stripes of color since I'm covering it up anyway? Everyone can kind of know what colors they want their zones to be. What are your thoughts? I've got all of my stickers on for the week. So I'm going to fill in what I need to during the week real quick. Wednesday is my day that I make sure that if at no other time during the week when I get home, I sit down with the family and I don't focus on much else for at least a little while. And right now we are watching Falcon and the Winter Soldier. So that'll be what that is. And this day is supposed to all be about self-care. So I have not had my nails done in a while. I think I will try to do that. And as crazy as it sounds, if it's not been done by then, Sometimes we need a little reminder. Okay, that should be most of the stuff for during the week. So now let me show you how I do the weekends, because I didn't show you last week. Since there's not really a way to time block on the weekend, this one, I'll put a spot for breakfast, a spot for dinner. Over here, I'm going to put breakfast, and let's see if I can find some way to actually say we're celebrating. Let's see what we got. Not a lot of good options. I think I'm going to use one of these Erin Condren Less Party stickers right here. Since this one's about halfway gone, I'm going to use this washi. Okay, and what I generally do is I will start on one side. Oh, let me move that down so I don't cover that up. Now, I realized the new ones, the new Daily Duos, they have a separate day for Saturday and Sunday. I'm actually really looking forward to that when the time gets here. But for now, I'm planning my weekends this way. I'm not a huge washi person, but I really like how this turns out. And I like that those kind of match. Check that out. That was not even on purpose. Do y'all know a better way than ripping these? Okay. So on top of that, we're going to highlight the water because I'm extra terrible at it on the weekend. The only thing that I have not added are my boxes that I've got that line up down here. And these are my reminder to work on the sticker shop. But I need to print more of those. I've run out. So, there we go. So that is how my weekend looks. I don't know if you can see all of it, but that's pretty much what it is. I don't have my menu planned out. I never put stuff on Saturday to work on. Normally Sunday would have one of these too, but we've got a cookout, so I'm not going to worry about that. But if I've got anything that needs to be done for either one of my jobs, I'll just jot it up here if it needs to be done before the next week. Otherwise, it can just wait. Oops, I've got that in the wrong spot. It's crooked. For those who don't know, I keep a list of my hot spots and my rescues in order. I will decide if I move on from the living room when Sunday gets here, because I just don't know whether or not I'm going to be moving on. It depends on how much of a mess is being left in my living room. There you have it. We have planned the entire week. I know that it seems a little busy, but there we go. This is my catch-all planner, so every bit of everything goes in it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this at all, give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to talking to you next week. Bye.